There's been a lot of hype for the Honor View20 even before its official launch, and it's not hard to see why. With a powerful camera and the first to have a punch hole design, all eyes are on this smartphone. So let's see what this phone has to offer. The first thing you'll notice is the View20's design, which may look generic at first glance. But with further inspection, you'll notice the gorgeous V-shaped chrome cover, giving it a more stylish and modern look. It's definitely a clever take on a more than meets the eye statement. The next thing you'll notice is the much lauded punch hole design. The size of the hole is 4.5mm, which makes it really small. Being the first smartphone to do so, we were curious to see how it would fare when watching videos. Overall, as the camera is situated on the bottom left, the notch didn't get in the way when watching videos in full screen. Due to where it's situated as well as the size, videos actually came out really well. Now we move on to the major attraction, the 48-megapixel camera that utilizes AI and Magic UI. On top of taking gorgeous pictures, the camera is able to recognize the kind of pictures you're taking, be it text, sceneries, or even a selfie. The camera is also capable of taking enough details to help you count the calories on the food you eat, so it's a great addition to have to look out for your health. On top of that, the camera not only has a beauty level for selfie fans, it also has a slimming level to make yourself look even slimmer. Just be careful when using it or else you'll look rather odd and lanky. Other than that, it's equipped with a 4000 mAh battery and a Kirin 980 processor, which makes it a pretty powerful smartphone overall. But in terms of other features like audio, it's as basic as it can get.